Hi, I'm Bhavani, and I'm about organic, I'm about family, and I'm about living the green life. And I want to share that with you today. For Thanksgiving, when the meat eaters bring out a big turkey and everybody oohs and ahs, what do the vegetarians bring out? We can bring out a stuffed pumpkin. I'm going to get started by first cutting into the pumpkin. I'm going to take off the lid and clean out the insides. Place the pumpkin in a pan, add a little water, and we're going to pre-bake this for an hour at 350 degrees. Okay, so part of living the green life is also eating what's in season. And this is October, so we're going to get into the root vegetables, and that's why I'm making this pumpkin stew. Pumpkin, squash, onions, carrots. And I want to have everything cut up and ready to go before I get started. I have a garden out back, and I try to reuse as much as I can and reduce the waste that I have in my kitchen. And part of the way of doing that is by composting everything. Seitan, for those of you that don't know, is a wheat meat. It is the gluten of the wheat. Now, whenever possible, I like to use my cast iron frying pans. It's the best way to get iron into your children. Okay? The iron actually leaches off of the pan into the food, and that's a good thing. For the onions, carrots, and sweet potatoes, I'm going to add a little bit more of my ginger and garlic. Butternut squash, my turnips and parsnips. I'm going to let that cook down for a while. I'm going to add my celery and my asparagus, my baby portobello mushrooms. One of the reasons I love cooking with peppers, look at the colors. The red, yellow, green, it is gorgeous. Oh, flavors are starting to come together. I'm adding my broccoli, a cup of tamari, a cup of aji marin. That's a sweet rice wine. This is good tasting nutritional yeast flakes. And this mixes in with all of the liquids to create a gravy. Spaghetti squash and comes out just like Ramsay spaghetti. Stir it up. Oh, it looks great. I'm going to fill the pumpkin. I want to take the cinnamon stick and I'm just going to push it down right there into the center. Ooh, hot. Okay, so let's see how our pumpkin is coming along. Oh, it looks beautiful. If you could smell that. I'm going to take this cinnamon stick out and put it right over here. Delicious. This is what I'm going to woo my guests with this Thanksgiving. And I welcome you to take on the challenge. Bring me any recipe. I will not only match it, I will top it. I will use organic ingredients. I will make it vegetarian. I will make it healthier. And it will be more delicious than you could imagine. Take on the Kitchen Impossible Challenge. Thanks for watching. To the Green Life.